Well guys, welcome back to another video. And here today at Down Under Dubs, I have one of my good friends coming around with his Volkswagen Beetle. And we are going to be doing a bit of paint correction on that for him today, and looking at making some of his original paint come back to life. So we're going to spend a bit of time getting some of the surface rust off it, using a few sort of techniques. I will be hoping we can sort of resurrect a bit of the original paint on this thing and make it look pretty good. So that's today's goal. And yeah, so he'll be coming around shortly, and we will film a bit of that for you guys, and hopefully we can show you guys some pretty cool results with that. So anyway, once he gets here, we'll introduce him to you guys. So yeah, anyway, we'll wait for him to get here, and we'll get this thing underway, and hopefully we should get some pretty cool results. So stay tuned.
I'm Ben, this is Bert. This is my 1967 Beetle. I've had him for a couple of years now. Very fortunate to be the next owner of this vehicle. Aim of this vehicle is to keep it long enough that my daughter can drive it when she gets her license in about 13 years time. So just here with Josh today, and we're going to do a bit of preservation work on the car. So looking forward to it.
Well guys, there you have it. A pretty cool little part one on Ben's 1967 Beetle Bert. So yeah, we're going to make a few more parts as we go along on Ben's car, and sort of make a little bit of a series on that too, to add to the Down Under Dubs channel, which is pretty cool. So yeah, that's sort of part one done on that. We got the roof done and the bonnet, so a couple of big sections there. Obviously it's he had a bit of penetrol oil on there, sort of protecting the paint that's been on there for a while, so we sort of had to bust through that first, and we didn't quite have some of the products we needed to do that. However, on the next couple of episodes on his Beetle, we will be doing that as well. Probably using a bit of wet and dry 800 or 1200 sandpaper on that, just to knock it back just enough to get that penetrol oil off. And yeah, we should that should help sort of get through it and start a bit more of the buffing process and the polishing on that. So it's so far so good. It's come up pretty good, so we're pretty happy. Stay tuned. Thanks again for watching another video here at Down Under Dubs. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and follow us at Instagram and Facebook at Down Under Dubs. And we will see you guys on the next video. Peace.